Here's Gunnar, our resident chain technician. He's going to show you how to put these self-locking clevis grab hooks together.
So you get everything comes in a little plastic bag. Empty out the bag. Now, this little spacer here has a hole with a chamfered edge or a flat edge. You want to find a chamfer. And slightly in like that. Comes together like this.
Don't forget to put the chain on first.
Okay, let's.
I've done that before.
Can we edit this? Here's.
You don't have to hammer it in. We just want to show people the right sequence. There you go.
Now line the pole up to the top like this. This comes on here. Now you can just hammer this in place.
Bang, 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 and there you go.
And you got a self-lock or locking hook in place here.
Excellent.